Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Pat the chops dry and season both sides so the coating sticks and tastes balanced. Once done, set 3 nearby stations, 0. 5 cup flour, beaten egg with a splash of milk, and a bowl of breadcrumbs mixed with salt, pepper, and herbs. Dredge each chop in flour, shake off excess, dip into egg, then press into breadcrumbs. Make sure you press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds so the crumbs bond to the surface before cooking. Once the chops are breaded, heat a skillet with 2-3 tablespoon oil to medium-high. Test with a spare crumb. It should sizzle immediately. Place chops gently and don't move for the first 2-3 minutes so a crust forms. Brown each side for 3 to 4 minutes until golden, and if the chops are over 1 inch thick, make sure to finish them in a preheated oven at 175 degrees C, 350 degrees F, for 6 to 10 minutes to reach an even internal. You're almost done. Let the chops rest on a wire rack for 5 minutes so juices redistribute and the crust firms up rather than steaming. If the crust went soggy, return each chop to a hot skillet for 1 to 2 minutes per side to re-crisp. Make sure the pan isn't overcrowded. Most importantly, check the internal temperature with a thermometer. Aim for 63 degrees C, 145 degrees F, then rest. This ensures safety and juicy results while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.